So hey guys, welcome once again to your channel Being Up to Date. So today we are going to talk about BIMSTEC. So let's begin without any further delay. It stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral and Economic Cooperation. It consists of 7 countries that are India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Thailand. All these countries are dependent on the Bay of Bengal in some way or other. It was formed in 1997 in Bangkok, Thailand. The group has decided 14 crucial priority sectors for cooperation, and the BIMSTEC Free Trade Agreement is also in the pipeline. Talking about significance for India, India has been focusing on its look east policy, and BIMSTEC plays a very crucial part of it. Also, BIMSTEC contains important regional partners of India, and because of increasing alliance between Pakistan and China, BIMSTEC forms an effective counter in the terms of geopolitics. And BIMSTEC has 3 major projects under development regarding India. These are Kaladan Multimodal Project, Asian Trilateral Highway, and Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, and India have signed a pact for the movement of goods and vehicles among them. Although there are also several challenges faced by India in BIMSTEC, like India's projects with its neighbors have been spoiled with slow mechanism and bureaucratic hurdles, etc., which in turn resulted in slow delivery and overshot deadlines. And this created very bad image of India. And this is one of the reasons why our neighbors prefers China more than India. China, being a single party government, offers faster implementation, construction, and faster delivery of projects within the time. And because of this, Nepal and Sri Lanka have started inclining towards China. So all in order to emerge as a true regional leader, India will have to set up faster delivery of its projects. And bureaucratic hurdles and paperwork, etc., needs to be improved. Unless such core corrections are made, India, though well intentioned, will not be able to counter the machinery established by China. If we talk about any international organization, the only thing we need is the unity among the members of that countries, which helps to tackle any of the difficult situations, no matter how big it is, and supporting each other and works for the sustainable development are the principles that makes India unique from any other developed countries. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.